Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the echo, touch and cat commands. The echo writes its argument or arguments to the standard output. So if I type echo apple and hit enter, the next line will show the apple word. You can pass more arguments to this command. For example, echo apple pear cherry. All the arguments will appear on the next line. You can notice that a new line has appended to the terminal after each echo and the cursor is at the next line. This is the default in the echo command. You can use an N option to not append a new line in the terminal. For example, echo-n apple. Okay. You can use \escape characters with an E option. For example, echo -e \t apple \v \t pear. \t is the horizontal tab character and \v is the vertical tab character. You can check these characters in the echo's manual page. So man echo, hit enter. We can see the name of the command, the description, and here are the characters that can be \escaped. Okay, let's move on to the touch command. You can make a new empty file with this command. Let's try it out. Touch blueberry. Seemingly nothing happened, but let's list the current working directory, ls-l. We can see blueberry here. The blueberry file appeared in our working directory. Alright, we are talking echo and touch in one video because we can use both to create a new file. Touch command is easy, but don't be afraid to create a file with echo, it's easy too. If you use the Linux system, you will soon come across the standard out, standard in, and standard error terms. Every command you issue in the Linux have standard error, standard output, and the standard in stream. In the echo command case that we used earlier here, the standard input is the argument that we type after it. The standard output is the terminal. We can redirect these streams to files. The simplest way to check that is the echo. This is an apple greater than apple. This command will create a new file, apple, and redirect the echo output. This is an apple sentence to it. If the file exists, this command will override the content of the file, so let's be careful when we use this. What if we have an existing file and would like to append some new content to the end of it? Just issue the echo. This is a strawberry. Okay, greater than apple. The double greater than sign will append the echo output to the apple file. Let's check it. It's time to get to know the cat command. The cat command prints the file content to the screen. So let's issue the cat apple command, where apple is the file that we've created. Alright, we can see the two sentences on the screen. Of course, cat can do more than just print the file content. You can, for example, write out the line number in front of the printed line with the N option. Cat-n apple. You can see the content of the file with numbered lines. You can redirect the cat output to a file too. For example, we would like to put the content of the apple to the blueberry file. Cat sorry, apple greater than blueberry. Okay, here the cat will read the content of the apple and redirect its output to the blueberry file. After that, we can watch the content of blueberry. Cat blueberry. Okay, it's the same as the apple file. Cool. Suddenly we realized that we would like to add some other content to the blueberry file. What can we do? For example, let's issue cat redirect the content blueberry, and we would like to type some content. So okay, EOF, and hit enter. We can see that the terminal is waiting for something. Let's type the pumpkin is fruit too. Then hit enter and type EOF. This will read the lines from the next line to the EOF delimiter, which says to the cat command, this is the end what we would like to put to the blueberry file. After that, cat appends the content to the blueberry. So we redirected the characters we've entered to the standard-in of the cat command, and the cat command will redirect its standard output to the blueberry file. Hit enter, then cat blueberry, hit enter. Alright, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.